Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm Shazib Babaskumbar. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a track bar and gauge in Mission Planner. First of all, I'm going to give you an overview. What will we do in this video? After executing Mission Planner, I'm going to open the form. A form we are going to make a replica on the other form. I set its opening key T and Control T. As you can see, we are going to opening our forms. I move the track bar. You can see the needle of gauge already moving. So today we are going to create it. First, I'm going to create a form. After that, I'm going to search in toolbox track bar. After that, I'm going to drag the my track bar and going to set its properties. As you know, it's horizontal. I'm going to set it vertical and applying the minimum and maximum limit of this track bar. You also can change many properties of this track bar, so you can do experiments with it to gain your desired outputs of controls, appearance and design of track bar. I'm going to add a label so it show us the value of track bar. After I'm going to add a gauge and search for a gauge in toolbox. After that, drag it on the form. Make sure that the needle enabled property is true, otherwise the development won't work. After completing the property, I'm going to add a functionality in trackbar. I'm going to double click on the trackbar. First, I'm going to display the value of trackbar on label. Then I'm going to assign the trackbar value to the gauge. Gauge contains two needles. By default, if you want to customize, you can do that. But I'm going to assign both needles same value. So the both values perform at same time, and it seems that the only one needle is moving. Value 0 and value 1. The value 0 related to the needle 1 and value 1 related to the needle 2. I'm going to assign the track bar value to needle 1 and needle 2. So both needles move at the same time. So it will be showed as only one needle is moving at same time. As you can see, the form we are currently developing is not same as we want to create a replica of original form, but the track bar is working fine and label showing us value fine and the needle is moving very well. So just need to little bit adjustment of the properties of gauge. So we are going to do that. After going back to the properties of gauge, we are going to set the max value 200 and the min value to 0. After that we are going to test our this form. No changes in the code, so we are going to compile the mission planner. Now it is time to reality check. We are going to check our both forms. As you can see, the both forms are looking same, and we are going to test our track bar. So congratulations, we made it. Thank you for watching.